Here I have Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the network and internet, and then to the hotspot and tethering. So here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to it. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can change its IP band, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. So yeah, and after you enabled it once, now you can switch it here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.